Hello everybody. Welcome back to my chatty sassy channel here on YouTube, and we are doing a YSL bag review. Now, YSL has pulled out of their agreements with these big box chain stores like Bergdorf Goodman, Saks, Nordstrom, Neiman Marcus. That is why you are seeing so much YSL at such huge discounts in these department stores right now on their designer luxury sales. Now, because of that, I was able to pick up a bag that I've been wanting for 50% off. And I think this bag is amazing, but my husband hates this bag. So I'm going to be showing you guys the bag, what fits in it, and talking about why I love it versus why he hates it, so that you guys can sort of decide for yourself if this is something that you want to order now that it's so marked down. The bag in question is the men's YSL New City camera bag. Now, I think that this bag is absolutely fantastic. I will be showing you what fits in just a minute, but I want to talk about it for a second. So this bag I saw back in February. I thought it was fantastic because of the fact that it has so many pockets, so much organization, and it's really cool looking. I'm really wanting a cool looking small summer bag that I can throw on with leggings, I can throw on with athletic shorts and go, whether that be to a park, to the grocery store, to an amusement park, to a water park, well, probably not a water park if I'm being honest, to running around with my dogs. I want a functional but cool looking utilitarian bag. This to me was it, because it's 50% off, marked down to like $745. Like, fantastic deal here, people. But on top of that, like, it has these two pockets on the front, it has inside big nice space, and then on the back it has a back snap pocket, which means you can put your phone in here and then secure it with the snap so that you don't have to worry about it falling out. That's why I really love this bag. I love the fact that it's a nylon material because it's cool. It's gonna be feeling good like as I'm running around against my skin. It's black, which I personally really like. There is also a navy version where it's navy nylon black leather, but that may just be a YSL exclusive because I haven't seen that one come up from any of the department stores. But I just thought this was such a cool bag, and it's got a canvas strap that is extendable so you can put it at different areas. Now, the reason that my husband hates it, he hates it because it's nylon. He thinks that anything that is a fabric bag is a waste of money. And to a certain extent, I agree with him, but now that I have so many leather bags, I feel like that I have enough room to add something like a fabric bag to my collection, and nylon is really durable. It's going to be more water resistant. And so this is a bag that I would feel very comfortable having outside with me. That being said, he hates it because of the fact that it's a fabric and it's not a leather bag, therefore making it a lot cheaper. But at the same time, $745 for a luxury designer bag of this size, even in nylon fabric, is still a really good price. Like, Prada, going to be a lot more than this. The other reason that he hates it is he says that with the pockets, he feels like it looks like a hairdresser's pouch that they like would wrap around their waist to have like all their tools in. Like a makeup artist would have this bag with all of their stuff in it. I don't see it, but he hates it so extremely that I can't keep this bag, because every time I would wear it, I know that he would groan, he would complain, he would make fun of it, and that just kind of took some of the joy out of it for me. So I am still on the hunt for a good bag, and I have an eye on one that I'm going to look at when we're in New York. But that's going to be a New York video. So definitely be subscribed if you want to see New York shopping content. So we're going to do the what fits now, and then I'll come back and I'll talk to you guys about what it is that I think makes this bag worth getting, particularly at $745. Alright, so I want to show you guys just some of the stuff that will fit in this bag. First off, phone placement. Where will the phone fit? It's obviously going to be too big to fit in one of those front pouches, but you can stick it down in the back of the bag and snap that snap closed so that your phone is within easy reach, but it's not going to just be able to fall out of that pocket even as I'm shaking that bag. So phone's in. What about these little front pouches? Well, you could stick AirPods in very easily. The Bastia actually fits in really, really easily. That carries a lot of small little essentials for me. If you wanted to stick keys in the front pouch, you could totally do that as well. Then inside, if you want to have things that are a bit more secure, you've got your card holder or your wallet, tons of room. I've got a Calvi. I've got sunglasses. I've got a pen. Let's throw in my Sudoku book. Maybe you're going on a plane, you want a book with you. You still got plenty of room to be able to put a small pouch in here as well. I don't have one on me, but you definitely could. Passport's going to fit in here great. Tons of room still. Like, look at how much room is in that bag. So now I zip this bag up. And it's got a great little profile on it. Nothing's sticking out really wide. And like I said, look at all this room. Look at how much I can still squish and move this bag around. So great capacity for this bag and for what you can fit in the various pockets. Now let's compare it in size to my city, not my city, this is the city, to my regular YSL camera bag. So first off on width, you can see that the basic width of the bag here is actually really comparable. If I turn them width to width, that's basically the exact same width. The only difference is that you have these front pockets here. When it comes to length, you've got the same length on this bag, same height. If I turn it this way so you can see the height, same height. This bag is, well, looks like it's maybe a smidge taller. Maybe like half an inch taller than the regular camera bag. So it's a little taller, tiny bit wider because of these front pouches, but basically you're looking at a very, very similar capacity. So hopefully that helps you if you have been looking at these two bags. So like I showed, this bag has really great capacity for a camera bag. It's very comparable in size to my current camera bag. But these extra pockets on the outside make it really unique. I think this is a great bag for men or for women. I also think it's great as far as quiet luxury goes because of the fact that you don't have any real logos on it. So if the regular YSL camera bag, and a lot of these camera bag crossbody bags are too logoed for you from the brands, I think that this is a really, really great option. Additionally, great capacity with these pouches. Here inside, you've got a lot of option for organization, particularly if you're going to be using this bag on the go. Now, downside, obviously, it's fabric. There's a chance that you can rip it. I don't think it's an overwhelming chance. I think that you'd have to like try to rip it, but with fabric, that's going to be easier to do than it is with leather, than it is with a thick, sturdy Louis Vuitton canvas. But you're getting a lot lighter bag here, and because it's nylon for running around, this has like basically no weight in it at all, which I think really lends itself to what it is that you would be using this bag to do. That's one of my dad's biggest cons with the YSL leather tote that I love, is that it's leather and therefore heavy, and therefore would be really heavy for a tote bag. You are not going to have any weight issues with this bag. It is absolutely light as a feather. Other pro, it's got an extendable crossbody that's not like a moving like chain pieces around, or where you're gonna have like a big long tail flap. It's got just the nice regular move it around strap, which makes it perfectly adjustable to your specific body height. You aren't having to worry about fitting into a specific hole or anything like that. Downside, you're really just gonna be wearing this as a crossbody. I guess you could turn it into a shoulder with the strap, but there's not like a lot of versatility with how you can wear this. You can't take the strap off or anything like that. So it's not like that you would be using it as a pouch in your travel bags or anything like that. That being said, this can definitely pack down super flat and light if you are traveling with it and you don't want to take it like on the plane or something like that. You want to have it as an option in your carry-on. This will go super, super flat for you. So overall, $745 bucks. I think that you were getting a great value for this bag. And if this is something that you are really interested in, go ahead, snap it up while you can. I will link a couple of sales associates that may still have this bag in the description down below. Their Instagram accounts say that you know, you found them through me, and that you're looking to purchase this specific bag. So with that, I hope you have a great rest of your day, everyone. Bye.